Ready? So we're going to do sit, sit, and lay down. So this just proves once again, no, don't get me, deaf dog. Sit with sign language and down.
Let me show you a hand signal. Do it again.
Hand signal? Don't get me though.
We'll just put it out, like hold it out in front of
Okay,
you.
ready? Yeah. Deaf dog.
Wait. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Ready? So that's sit and lay down in sign language. For deaf dog, Ithaca! You good boy! Good boy!
Here's my baby. Come here, baby. You're so good. You're so good. You're such a good boy. I love you.